Hey there! Are you feeling a bit sluggish lately? Maybe your workouts aren't giving you the same results, or you're not quite as energetic in the bedroom? Well, there's a chance you might be low on a crucial mineral, zinc. But don't worry, we've got some great news for you. You can boost your zinc levels naturally with some delicious foods. Today, we're breaking down the top zinc-rich sources that every man over 35 should be adding to his diet. Stick around to discover which everyday food actually packs more zinc than red meat, and why most guys are still falling short on this essential mineral. Zinc is a powerhouse trace mineral that your body can't store for long, so you need to get it regularly from your diet. It's involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions in your body, playing a crucial role in testosterone production, immune function, muscle repair, and even keeping that hair on your head. As we age, our zinc requirements can actually increase, while our ability to absorb it becomes less efficient. That's why knowing your food sources is more important than ever, especially if you're 35 or older. Now let's dive into the zinc-rich foods that should be staples in every man's kitchen. First up, we've got oysters. These aren't just for romantic dinners, fellas. Oysters are the highest natural source of zinc, with a whopping 74 milligrams per 3-ounce serving. That's over 600% of your daily value. Plus, the combination of zinc and selenium in oysters is a powerful duo for boosting testosterone and sperm health. Next on our list is beef, particularly chuck roast. A 3-ounce serving packs 7 to 9 milligrams of zinc. It's a favorite among gym goers for good reason. You're getting a solid dose of highly bioavailable zinc, along with muscle-building protein. But here's the surprising contender that beats even red meat: pumpkin seeds. Just a quarter cup of these little powerhouses delivers about 2.5 milligrams of zinc. They're also loaded with magnesium, which works synergistically with zinc to support testosterone levels and muscle function. Don't overlook the humble chickpea either. A cup of cooked chickpeas provides around 2.5 milligrams of zinc. They're versatile, budget-friendly, and packed with fiber to keep you feeling full and satisfied. For our seafood lovers, crab is another excellent source. A 3-ounce serving of crab meat offers about 6.5 milligrams of zinc. It's also low in calories and high in protein, making it a great choice for guys watching their waistlines. Now let's talk about a breakfast favorite: eggs. While not as zinc-dense as some other options, eggs are still a good source with about 0.6 milligrams per large egg. They're also rich in choline, which supports brain health and helps your body use zinc more efficiently. For the plant-based guys out there, don't worry. We've got you covered too. Lentils are a fantastic source of zinc, with about 2.5 milligrams per cooked cup. They're also high in fiber and protein, making them a great addition to any meal. For those who love sweets, you will be surprised to know that dark chocolate, 70 to 85%, is high in zinc. Yes, chocolate. It's one of the few indulgent treats with real zinc. It contains 3.3 milligrams per 3.5 ounces. Just watch your portion size to avoid excess sugar. For dairy lovers out there, next on our list is plain Greek yogurt. It contains 1.5 milligrams per cup. You'll get zinc plus probiotics for gut health, perfect for digestion and overall wellness. Last on our list are chicken thighs. Lean and flavorful, it contains 2.7 milligrams of zinc per 3 ounces. Add a bit of skin-on roast chicken to your weekly meal prep. Here are some quick tips for better zinc absorption. Avoid too much alcohol. It blocks zinc absorption. Pair zinc-rich foods with protein and fat for better uptake. Limit high phytate foods, like whole grains and legumes, with zinc unless they're soaked or sprouted. Phytates can bind to zinc and make it harder to absorb. Pair your zinc-rich foods with vitamin C-rich options like citrus fruits or bell peppers. Vitamin C can enhance zinc absorption, helping you get the most out of your meals. Remember, while these foods are great natural sources of zinc, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or starting any new supplement regimen. Everyone's nutritional needs are different, and what works for one person may not be ideal for another. So, there you have it, your guide to boosting your zinc intake naturally. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you'll be supporting your overall health, energy levels, and vitality. Don't let low zinc levels slow you down. Take charge of your health and fuel your body with these zinc-rich foods. Your muscles, immune system, and even your bedroom performance will thank you. If you found this information helpful, Be sure to like and subscribe to the nutrient link for more tips on optimizing your health and performance as you age. And remember, small changes in your diet can lead to big improvements in how you feel and function. Here's to your health and wellness.